Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen. You're welcome to my channel. Today we are making coconut milk. Coconut milk with a twist. This milk is very delicious, highly nutritious, and very healthy for you. This milk is even better than your store-bought milk. If you're a lover of milk, keep watching. Let's go straight into the video. I have my coconut here. You need a medium-sized coconut. I'll go ahead and shred them into pieces. And further cut them into smaller sizes. And transfer into a bowl. The 3 ingredients I need for this recipe is coconut, tiger nut, and dates. So I'm done cutting the coconuts. I'll be using 6 pieces of dates and 1 cup of tiger nut. So I will cut the dates open and remove the seeds. Make sure you remove all the seeds. Then I will go ahead and cut them into smaller sizes too, for easy blending. Then I will transfer everything into my blender. I'll need 600 ml of water. I'll add the water into the blender and blend. And blend into a smooth consistency. I will blend until the mixture is very smooth. Every ingredient I use for this recipe will be listed in the description box. After blending, I will run it through a sieve. You can use sieve to drain yours, or use a cheesecloth, whichever one you prefer. So I'll go ahead and make sure I get all the milk out of it. So as I press with this, the milk comes out, leaving only the chaff. You can see the milk here. I'll be adding a little more water to the coconut chaff to get some more milk left in there. So I will transfer this into my milk bottle. I'm adding some little more water to it. And for a higher yield and a better quality milk, use warm water for this. When you use warm water, you get better quality milk after production. Please don't forget to refrigerate when you are done. So I'll add this to the one in the bottle. For those who are lactose intolerant, This is a healthier alternative for you. Give it a try. You will love it. Store your milk in the refrigerator because this is natural without preservatives. So store in the refrigerator as you enjoy your milk. Tune into my channel for more amazing recipes. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.